Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In last videos, we covered pattern number, up to pattern number. You can see up to I think 34 we covered. Now let us go for pattern number 35. Sir, it is the same like previous pattern, but in the place of capital A, I want to print small a. In the place of capital A, I want to print small a. So what we have to do? Already I told in our previous class itself, there are some ASCII values that you need to remember. For lowercase alphabets, the ASCII value of a small a is nothing but 97. And the ASCII value of capital A is nothing but 65. Like that we have. So now in previous example, we have taken that capital letter and we solved the program. Now I will take lowercase alphabets. So what modification we have to do in the program? In the place of 65, I think we can take 97. Automatically what will happen? You are going to get lowercase alphabets in the place of uppercase alphabets. Only one small modification, which is nothing but ASCII value I changed. That's all, nothing more than this. This is nothing but pattern number 35 what we have, right? I think you got a very clear clarity. Thank you.